Good morning, hope you're well. I'm out on the canal this morning, Selby Canal. I'm having a little paddle with roadkill and I'm testing out this pair of neoprene gloves by PAWHITS, I think they're called. I've got a wetsuit by the same guys. They've got those kind of non-slip kind of bobbly things on them. And I tried out another pair of neoprene gloves a little while ago and I did actually quite like them, even though they make your hands sweaty. They do provide an awful lot of protection when you're getting in and out of the boat. They keep your hands dry. So I got these because they were on a Black Friday deal before Christmas, and so I thought I'd give them a bit of a whirl. And it is cooler today. It's about 2-3 degrees, I think it was, wasn't it, Rob? Yeah, it's about 2-3 degrees, so considerably cooler today. There's a car in the car park that is iced up, so let's give them a go, eh? I've had to take these gloves off twice already. Once because I forgot to turn the sat-nav on, and the second time to change the battery in the camera. And what I can tell you is they are warm. There's no two ways about that. They certainly feel warm. However, they are snug. I ordered the large, and I've got medium to large hands, and they are snug. I know neoprene is supposed to be. It's supposed to be a tight fit, and they are. I can say that with all confidence. Okay, the other thing that I like about them is that these grippy beads, they work fine on the lock hand, whilst giving you enough flexibility and swivel on the hand that the paddle twists in. So they're all good on that respect. Okay, so these should be waterproof. Let's give them a dunk test, eh, and see if they let any water in, see what happens. Oh, some got straight in there. I could feel it get in at the seams. I might regret that. However, even just in those few meters, I can actually feel it warming up. Might be fine, because I know that's part of the thing with wetsuits, is if you get water close to your skin and trapped in, it warms up. Right, okay, regarding these gloves, my hands are not cold. This one that went in the water does feel colder, but it doesn't feel cold. However, when you consider that there is actually ice forming on the boat as I'm paddling, it is cold. Right, these neoprene gloves, I had a little bit of a mixed feeling about these today, to be honest with you. Yeah, not totally waterproof. On the paddle back, my hands did feel really cold. However, I was paddling really slowly because I was behind roadkill and I was sort of like keeping him in the hyperlapse, and he's not the fastest paddler. And the boat he was in, the bottom had sort of like sagged in it a bit. So it was a bit of a slow paddle back. However, I did start kind of racing around a little bit and got warm again, and my fingers got really warm again. So yeah, I think so long as you're moving around in them and quite active, I think these are quite good even in winter, because these are 3mm summer ones really, but they've worked okay. And as for that water getting in, not really an issue. It's not made any difference between the two gloves. I'll put a link in the description. If you want to check them out, you can do. They're not expensive. And if nothing else, they're really good when you want to get in and out of the boat on a dirty bank, because it means it keeps your hands clean. Anyway, if you like what I'm doing on this channel and you like this video, then give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe and hit that bell notification. None of that costs you anything. It just means that you get a notification whenever you open up YouTube, if I've uploaded any of my fantastic content. How modest am I? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Cheerio.